Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the T3 controller. First, let's get acquainted with its fundamental aspects. The T3 controller is designed for intuitive interaction, featuring a robust build and ergonomic design. We will cover powering it on and off, understanding its core components, and navigating its primary controls. This guide will help you quickly become proficient with your new device, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience from the very beginning. Now, let's connect your T3 controller. Use the included USB-C cable to link it to your gaming system or computer. It is crucial to ensure all required drivers are installed. Typically, this happens automatically. After connection, take a moment to calibrate the joysticks and triggers. This simple step ensures maximum precision and responsiveness, giving you an edge in any scenario. A proper setup takes only a few moments, but makes a significant difference. With your T3 controller connected, let's explore its key functions. The directional pad, or D-pad, is perfect for menu navigation and precise movement. The 4 main action buttons allow for quick in-game commands and interactions. Remember to explore the settings menu to adjust sensitivity for joysticks and triggers. Personalizing these settings can greatly enhance your control and overall comfort during extended play sessions, making every action feel just right. To truly master your T3 controller, consider customizing button assignments through its dedicated software. This allows you to tailor controls to your unique playstyle. For longevity, regularly clean your controller with a soft, dry cloth to prevent grime buildup. Also, periodically check for firmware updates. These updates often introduce new features, improve performance, and fix any minor issues, ensuring your T3 controller remains at its peak for many years of gaming enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.